Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use WhatsApp while playing games in Samsung A73 5G. But before we continue this video, as always, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support the channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, firstly here, for example, I'm gonna open my games. I only have these games. And if you want to use the WhatsApp while you're playing these games, you just have to go back first like this. I'm gonna tap on this one and just do the split screen. For the split screen, you just have to tap on this icon, the three slice button, and now tap and press the games that you want to play like this. Just drop it here, and as you can see, it will be a split screen. So if you want to open WhatsApp or any apps, you only have to open it. Here I'm gonna open my WhatsApp first, and yeah, you can use the WhatsApp or any apps while playing the games. So yeah, just it guys. I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.